In this video, I'm going to show you where to find cabbage in Once Human. So this is the best cabbage location. Now, if we open up our map over here, I'm currently standing at this place called Winding Ridge Farmland. This is located over here to the kinda in between the Greywater Camp and this area of this Winding Ridge frontier. Now, this is basically a farm and you have to walk around it. As you can see the coordinates down the bottom right of my screen. There's a bunch of enemies over here, but they're very low level, so you should be able to fight them off quite easily. Now, as you can see, cabbage will be found in these kind of boxes over here, and if you loot them, as you can see, there you can get a bunch of cabbage. So simply scavenge around this area and look for these boxes, as many as you could possibly find. In some there's corn, in some there's cabbage, in some there's oranges, so you can basically find pretty much anything you want in these things. And you can also find a whole bunch of other valuable loot in these, okay? So just be on the lookout, walk around, and you'll be able to find a bunch of cabbage with just a bit of scavenging and looking for it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.